Hi, in this video I will show you how to hard reset and restore all the default settings on the ZTE router. It's all you need to do is to find a reset button on your ZTE router and then use pencil or office paper clip to touch and hold this button for 3 seconds. And now wait a moment until router reboots and all the settings will be set to the defaults. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.